Alright viewers, welcome to my channel The Art of Inside Impressions. So today we are going to see a crucial fight between both in the sense eraser versus gel pen, that is white gel pen. So, to know my suggestion and to know who will win in this crucial fight, you need to watch complete video and do wait with patience. So, here I'll compare each and every tool and we'll see the results. Now, we are using white pencil eraser which is of Kohinoor brand, and you can see this pencil eraser will work like pro. And in the same way, we will test each and other tool which we are having. So here I am using gel pen, that is Uniball company. This is of 60 rupees. So it is available in local market also or else Amazon also. So here is how it will work, and this pen will give really fine lines and beautiful lines. But when you are working with graphite and charcoal, I don't suggest to use this pen because here you can see the even look when you are using and when you are working with pencil eraser. But when you are using white gel pen, you will have the patchy look and you will feel the pen look. So graphite is a even tone which you'll achieve by building layer by layer, and after once you apply this white gel pen, it will give the messy effect. So I don't use white gel pen in my artwork unless and until if it is really required only I'll use. So you can see my tiger artwork where I used white gel pen, only in that work I used white gel pen. So now we are using charcoal pencil, and everyone will say charcoal will work like pro. But according to me, when you build layers on layers, the charcoal will not work on these graphite layers. So you can apply graphite on charcoal, but when you are working with graphite, you can't apply graphite first and then you can't give charcoal layer. So this is drawback of using charcoal pencil. But when you are working with skin texture and all, first we'll give the graphite layer only. So white pencil is not so useful when you are working with charcoal and graphite drawings, but you can use on black paper. Now we are seeing the Derwent electric eraser. So this will work absolutely fine, and in this way you need to insert the eraser. So here is a tip again. So you can't use in the same way because it is so thick, but when you cut into a sharp tip it will work like pro. So you need to cut in the sharp way, and in this way you need to sharp. So don't use sharpener here, so some will pin out the eraser and they'll try to sharp, but that is not a real way. So do use blade only in sharpening the eraser. After once you are done with previous process, grab your sandpaper and rub against the sandpaper. So it is electric eraser, so you should just on the button and it will run and you'll get a sharp tip. So you can see here the sharp tip. Let me clean it, and yeah, now you can see this is the sharp tip. Now in this way you need to control the pressure first and then you need to apply the layer. So here controlling plays a crucial role and you need to have much practice. So it is like first you need to press against and then do. So before pressing, if you start, it will not work. So these lines we achieved through electric eraser, and this is how the pencil eraser worked. It will give fine lines and it is really much required to every artist because they need to get different grades and etc. So pencil things are done, but the gel pen, no, I don't suggest gel pen and charcoal pencil. So I'll remove this also. So this messy look, I don't like it personally, and the pencils and electric eraser is really suggestible. And other eraser, it is my favorite eraser. Any guesses? You can comment below. So It is needle eraser. Needle eraser is very much important to remove the excess graphite. So when you want to remove excess graphite after applying graphite layer or graphite powder or charcoal powder, you can directly press against your artwork and you can remove easily. So this is a wonderful tool and I love it personally, and it is very much important to give the blurry effect, and it plays a crucial role when you're drawing the hyperrealistic artwork. So this is called needle eraser if you don't know. So it is really helpful, and when you're drawing eye area and when you want to apply water and the white areas or light gray areas, you can give easily. You need to just change directions and you should press against your artwork. This is simple and easy tool you can use, and you must have this tool. So if you really loved this video and if you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. And I hope you enjoyed, and stay safe, stay healthy and stay connected. Thanks for watching.